Have you ever heard the story of the boy on the beach who's picking up beach starfish one at a time and throwing them back into the ocean so they wouldn't dry up and die? The story goes that a passerby stops and tells the boy, "Don't you realize there's miles of beach and there's thousands of these starfish? You can't possibly help them all." The boy then bends down, picks up another starfish, throws it into the ocean, and says with a smile, "But I made a difference for that one." When people get hurt, we all want to help. It's human nature. We see people around us having a hard time and we want to make things better. When things are broken, we want to fix it. We want to make it like the bad thing never even happened. When one of us gets hurt in a car accident, sometimes we wish so badly that we could go back in time and stop the crash from happening. Personal injury law is built on that idea.
Because we don't have time machines, the law says we all have to have insurance, so that if there is a crash, the insurance can cover all of the effects from that crash, fully and fairly, to make it so that, at least financially speaking, it can be like it never happened. The trouble is, most of us have no idea what should be covered, by which insurance company, or how much is a fair amount to be compensated for everything that happened from the crash. Here at McMullin Injury Law, that's what we do, all day, every day. When there's been a car accident, we can help. We can't undo the damage that's been done, but we can make sure that problems get solved the best way possible, and make sure that the insurance claims get paid fully and fairly, so you can get back on your feet and get life back to normal.
We make sure that you can get your car fixed properly so you're not left dealing with lingering problems down the road. We make sure that you are paid for the decrease in the resale value of your car now that it has a crash in the vehicle history. We make sure you can get paid a fair amount for your total loss rather than being stuck with whatever the insurance company thinks your car is worth. We make sure that you can get access to a rental car right away without having to pay out of your pocket.
We make sure that you can have access to any and all medical care that you need in order to get back to being 100% fully healthy, so you don't get stuck living with long-term lingering pain and issues. We make sure that all your medical care is paid for by the insurance company, so you don't have to come out of pocket. If you've been hurt and had to miss time at work and lost income, we make sure the insurance company pays you for the income you lost.
They're pretty good.
Surprisingly,
I haven't had tiny.
Most importantly, we recognize that you are a person and that the way a crash affects your life is individual to you. To us, this is the most crucial part of your case. Unlike your car that can easily be repaired or replaced, the way a crash affects your life is not so simple. The law can't take away your pain or replace missed hobbies or experiences with your spouse or kids. The law can only require that an insurance company be held accountable by valuing all the ways that a crash affects your life. Understanding your individual injuries, your pain, and all the ways that your life is impacted by a crash is a priority for us. We know that when you are hurt and not feeling like yourself, it impacts your life and the lives of those around you every single day. At McMullin Injury Law, we tell your story. We make sure that an insurance company values you as a person and not just a claim number. We protect you so that you can focus on taking care of you and your family. Our focus is on you, and that makes a difference.